Welcome to my channel, Animated Study.
Here, if you want to connect the computer using cable, we can use the minimum spanning tree. So we will get the least cost of cable. For that, we require to select the edges with minimum weight. For that, we can use the Kruskal's algorithm. That is greedy algorithm. So it will take the immediate benefit for the selection of edges. So in Kruskal's algorithm, first we will select the smallest edge. So here the smallest edge is between these two computer. Then again we will working in a greedy way. So again with this greedy method, we will select the second smallest and we will take care it's not making any cycle. So straight away we can select the 4 here. Now we will select the next one, that is 5. 5 is minimum among the remaining all. So we will select the 5 here. And since we have 4 computers, we have selected already 3 edges. So we have connected all 4 computers. So using Kruskal's algorithm, you can build the minimum spanning tree. So let's see how Kruskal's algorithm works in detail. So here we will take the graph G in which we have vertices V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6 and V7. So we have 7 vertices. So in MST we will get n minus 1 edges in such a way we will get the length of the edges will be minimum. So here you have a lots of cycles, so you can build many spanning trees. But using Kruskal's algorithm, you will find the minimum spanning tree. So here what we will do first. So to find the minimum spanning tree of this graph, first we will sort the all edges by their weight. So you can see here we will have a all ages sorted here and we have enlist here what are those ages. So here we have a v2 to v4 that is having length 1. So here you can see v2 to v4 having length 1. Second is v3 to v6, that is here v3 to v6 with length 1 here. Next is v2 to v5 having length 2. So you can see here v2 to v5 having length 2 and so on. Now we will select the minimum weight edge, that is v2 to v4. So we will select here v2 to v4. Now we will move ahead and selecting the second edge, that is the v3 to v6. So here v3 to v6 it's also have a weight 1. Now we are moving ahead and selecting the next smaller edge having weight 2. So here we will select the v2 to v5. Now we are moving ahead and we are getting another edge with weight 2. So that is v1 to v4. So here you can see v1 to v4 is now connected with weight 2. Now we are moving ahead and we are getting edge v4 to v5 having weight 3. So here you can see v4 to v5 having weight 3, but it's create the cycle. And since we are making the minimum spanning trees, and as you know trees doesn't contain any cycle, so we have to reject these selections. So we will straight away moving ahead and we will get the v1 to v2 that is having weight 4. So here you can see v1 to v2 having weight 4. But here you can see it's also making one cycle, that is v1, v4, v2 and v1. So in tree cycle is not allowed, so we will reject this edge. So we are moving ahead and getting another smaller edge and it is V4 to V6. So here you can say V6 having weight 4 and it's not creating any cycle. So we will select it. Now we are moving ahead and we are getting another edge with weight 5, that is V1 to V3. So when we are selecting V1 to V3 with weight 5, it's create one cycle. So we cannot select it. So we will reject it and we are moving ahead. So here you will get the another edge, that is V6 to V7. So we will select V6 to V7 with weight 6 and it's not creating any cycle. So now you can see you have selected 6 edges and our number of vertices are 7. So 6 edges quite enough to connect the 7 vertices. So according to the rules of minimum spanning trees, you have selected 6 edges and you have connected all the vertices. Now you calculate the sum of weight of all the edges, you will get 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. So you are getting 16 here. So it is the minimum sum of the edges in the minimum spanning tree. So that is what all about the Kruskal's algorithms for finding the minimum spanning tree. That's all for now. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video updates. Thanks and bye bye.